Sup gamers, it's me, Mr. Roblox, and I'm doing another video on don't push the button. I said plus, whatever. So, is a seeker. Try not to get found. We can't even see the place. Why is it dark? Hello. Thank you. What if I fall at night? Why is it dark? How to become morning in 5 seconds. Bye, have a good day. I like dog sound. It's like you said dog sauce. What? So, yeah, speedrun. Like Sonic. The epic race of Robloxians is back. Whoa! Blast. Oh wait, but I can do the same technique as the first video I made. How about I do it now? Oh my god, no! I got only 20! Oh, why you? Give me more time. I have to win. I can't lose. I can't lose. No. I did that the third time. That's so stupid. Dun, dun. What's happening? Glitches. Those other people died. Ah, bro. Hey. Whatever.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
He saw Michael here. Who's Michael? I'm in space. I can fly. 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 I can jump. What? No! Who's that happening all the time? Look at this cloud. Oh. I wish I could. What do I? Wait. Oh my god. I thought we could do it with. I really am not good at doing it this way. I'm very bad. Yay, a 4. I never knew this would happen. Ah, you kidding me? I'm gonna. I don't want a picture. Oh, you guys can't see my face real. Oh, I must be sad. What if I come right in between? I'm invisible now. I'm naughty boy. Lava again? I hate this one. This is like more than my least. Will you move, madame? I can't believe it. And I'm just waiting. I'm generating power. The girl. She. Ow! I fell and broke my back. No, no, stop numbing! Wait, what if I stand on the butt? I can't even get sometimes! Stop numbing! Nom. I'll get to the hole in the wall. Oh. Yes! My loser, you just died. Stupid person. Oh, no. Shoot that potato! Hot pot potatoes. Bye-bye, you explode. Boom. It's fire. That's dangerous. Oh, is it gonna be there? Is it gonna be there? Yes, I got it. Now I'm not gonna press the button. I'm not gonna get it. It takes out losers. You all fell. Candy? What is he saying? Stop that. The button is saying that. The button. Dodgeball against 4 people? You think 3 people? Everyone! I'll just use my speed qual. This is the only chance of me. I died! But if I throw it. Wait, what if can I even stand on people? Wait, what if we use the gravity coil? What that didn't even look creepy. Red team won just once in this whole game. Hi, BFFF. That means best friend. Green pizzas. Do you want a green macaroni slime pizza? He said yes! Whatever. Okay. You... What's that other thing? It looks like everyone delivered the pizza. What pizza? We delivered pizzas to ourselves. The blue pizza was for me because I have blue hair. This is gonna be the easiest maze ever. I'm just running. I don't even need to do anything. I just saw it. I did it again in 25 seconds. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I miss you. This can't be it. Am I going the wrong way? I think I'm not. No, I'm not. Is there any other exit? Like, there should be one here. Oh no? Then I'm gonna be the epic boy. Oh God, no! Funny. Why can't I? Oh, whatever. Girl, you look like a rat. Hey, I'll punch you one more time if you call someone a rat. Okay, but I'll still punch you anyway. To roster CNN? Why? Yeah? I'm pressing the button. Hey. Why do I stay here? My train is in a... No one died. Okay, I'll call you a rat now. Sure name recognized. I'm this YouTuber. She'll never see me. Stop calling her a rat. You are a rat. Yeah, she's a rat. You all are rubbish. Come on, at least 5 more minutes or something. Okay. No button. Okay, take this. Get ready to. I am an ornament. And the ornament. I am an ornament. I need a perfect spot. It should be a corner. Yes. I'm the star. I'm the star. I'm set. Look at me. I don't care. I'll just place ornaments right here. And just pour some one on your face. Roblox Luxiger? It's so it's like Andrea, let's just join another server. No, all guys are fools. Okay, fine. I'll press the button. What button? First. No! Wait! That's so unfair. Wait, how did it land? Look at them shouting. Ah! So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll send more videos. Bye!